So this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life. Welcome back to my channel. And this video is all about our 2021 scrappy goals and where we want to see what we'd want to accomplish in the year of 2021. Now, I am going to kind of state what I've done in 2020, and then that will roll into what I'm going to do for 2021. So for me in 2021, my recap, I just have been very blessed with close to my heart and my YouTube channel. Between my YouTube channel, I have been monetized. You guys know this. And obviously I don't do any sponsored content. My sponsored content is me showcasing close to my heart items and, selling that side of the business. And because of both of them going hand in hand, I am shy of what my goal was for 2020 on my subscriber count, because I wanted to be at 3,000 by the end of this year. At this point, I'm at 2,300, and I remember last year in January, I hit 2,000 then, or something close to that. And I gained quite a bit of subscribers throughout. I wasn't quite at 2,000 in 2020, so I was trying to make up what I lost in 2019 and put that into 2020 plus gain 1,000. So ultimately I did some damage, if you know what I mean, for the amount of for that particular goal. Now this year I do want to try to hit, my goal is going to be 3,500 subscribers by the end of the year. So by the end of the year next year at this time, I'm hoping to be about 3,500. So that's where I need to gain about 100, about 100 or about 1,000 actually, because I'm at 2,300 and I want to go to 3,500. So actually that's 1,200 subscribers. And that's very much doable, because that's kind of what I was doing in at the end of 2019 going into 2020. So that'll work out great there. So that's number one. So that was a little bit of tie of what I did in 2020 rolling into 2021. So my very first goal is going to be that. Now, the reason why I'm making this video, and this is going to be another one of my goals, there has been, I think, 7 or 8 of us that are joining together, and we're going to make videos quarterly about how we're staying together on the goals. Are the goals that we set for ourselves or for any of that sort in the year of 2021, are we setting them? Did we set it correctly? Did we get somewhere? Have we been going somewhere? So there has been about all those links will be down below. I feel that this is a good way to reflect back on as we go throughout this year, because for me, I don't do planners. I'm not a planner-oriented person. I've tried. The only time I've been very successful at my planners is when I'm in college. And one of the bigger news that I do have for 2021 is that I will be going to college. So not only am I going to be in school, teaching full-time, that's my full-time job, doing this almost full-time. It's not full-time to me. It's just my hobby, and I do a day in the life while you guys listen to me and we scrapbook along, right? So this isn't really a full-time job. My part-time job is close to my heart. And then I'm going back to grad school. I will start my grad school in February or March, and then it'll take me, I want to be done in 1.5 years, but ultimately it is a 2-year program. So I'm hoping that I can knock out about 1.5 years worth while Josh is overseas, because I don't have to worry too much about him, because he's taken care of over there. He's good. for where he's at. So I was trying to knock out a bulk of it so that I wouldn't have too much when he gets back. But ultimately, that is it. So I probably will bring back a planner, but the reason why I don't do planners is because it drives me insane. Like, I can't sit and do a planner and then this and that. It doesn't work for me. My two major things that I like to do in the scrap world is three. I like doing cards. I don't do freehand or any of that sort. I do go somewhere to get the cards that are all cut up and ready to go, and then I just place them together. So I do like to do cards, but I am a 12 by 12 and a traveler's notebook, and I want to get done with some of my traveler's notebooks that I've started and I want to finish. So in the first quarter, I think that once college starts, I'm not saying that all of my layouts are going to be traveler's notebooks because I get bored with them quick. But I'm going to knock out a bulk of them that I need to finish. Like, I need to finish Kaylin's summer traveler's notebook. I would like to catch up on my selfie and reflection notebook, just to get caught up and just kind of be more in the present versus being past, and then reflect. And literally, instead of scrapbooking that in time, I'm reflecting on that time, where I would like to get that cut up so that when I do actually print and want to be in my selfie notebook, it can be in the now, reflecting on what happened at that moment and reflect on it then. So that's kind of where I want to be. So those are the two traveler's notebooks I'd like to get done in the first quarter. And then 12 by 12s. So I did only 153 layouts last year. I take all the photos that I do for my YouTube channel. So that means not only did I do 154 layouts that go into this folder, that also means I did 153 just traveler's notebooks and 12 by 12 layouts, process videos for my YouTube channel. That's fantastically fantastic. Because if you divide 153, divide by 52, you're roughly about 2.5 a week for that respect. Yeah, I'm roughly about 2.9 layouts per week. So ultimately, that's pretty good. I always say that I roughly do about 2 to 3 layouts a week, and that's going to stay consistent. I'm planning on doing 2 to 3 a week. Obviously, I do, if I don't have any collaborations like this or, you know, design team layouts, I'll just do up, you know, whatever I have to fill in those spaces. So I am planning on doing that. But I would like to try to hit 160 for the year. So that means I'm going to push some of them to do a little bit more. The most that I've ever gotten in a year for layouts done, whether it's traveler's notebooks or 12 by 12, I did hit 192 one year, but that was when I first started my channel and I was trying to knock out, I did 3 or 4 a week and kind of trying to bring my brand out there of my scrappy life. That brand is now pretty much, everybody knows me by that. If you do follow me on any social media, or it's Miranda Webber 82. Those are like my handles along with my scrappy life. And I don't want to change my name out there as my first and last name because everybody knows me by that, but they know that my YouTube channel, my website, my close to my heart, all of that is all based around that. And that's how I want to keep that. So I feel like I'm in a good place. And I feel like going into 2021, there are plenty of things to do. So now that I have like babbled on for 10 minutes, to wrap up this, make sure that you check out everybody that's linked down below. In this first quarter, I want to get done with 2 traveler's notebooks, my selfie traveler's notebook and my daughter's summer layouts. I want to knock them done because I don't like going into seasons without that being done. So I'm going to get those two done, and then for 12 by 12s, I would like to get my daughter's school year caught up to where I am in January. So through the next 3 months, I want to get done with like the first, her getting her hair done, like, you know, pampering for the first day of school, all of that kind of stuff, and get the spring or the fall and the half of the winter done by this quarter so that I can finish and wrap up into the next quarter the rest of her school year. Because for her third grade year, we don't have much because they didn't do much because she's been virtual at home and she stays virtual. So that's what I'm looking at for that. And then obviously just keep giving you the content that I've been giving, and then work on my subscribers. Obviously, if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm grateful to have you. It has been an amazing, and I'm telling you, amazing year for me. And I can only hope and pray that going into 2021 will just be even just that much more. So make sure that you check out everybody that's linked down below. I can't wait to see what they want to do in 2021 and in the first quarter. Until then, I hope that you're all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.